stomach in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Chân phải ra sau. Hít vào chân phải lên, tay trái. Right leg up and left hand all together. Exhale, knee to elbow. So, inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last 2 times. Inhale up. Exhale down. The last one, inhale up and stay. 1, 2, 3. Tai Chi back side, Tai Chi chin fai. Left hand back side, grab your right ankle. Right leg straight up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chin fai back side. Yeah, Tai Chi line. Right hand straight up. Yeah, look up, chin up. Very good. Try to focus on your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Come center. Doi chin. Change your leg. Inhale, left leg up. Tai Chi. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Last 2 times. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. The last one, inhale, up. Just stay. 1, 2, 3. Tai Chi back side. Right hand back side. Grab your left ankle and lift as much as possible you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chancha back side. Left leg back side. And left hand all the way up. Look up, chin up. Very good job, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Aim back. Child pose. Please, everybody, relax yourself. Relax your thighs. Relax your shoulder. Just relax. In Highland, 2 times. Hit bow, cobra. Look up, chin up. Exhale, aim back. Child pose. Hit bow lane. Tha, downward facing dog. Arm lane down swung. 1 by 1, heel up down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hit bow, Chen Phi. Right leg straight up. Tha, Chen Phi. Right leg front in between your palm. Goisu. High thigh, side of the body. Both hands side of the body. Relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chen Phi, Thang Chen. High thigh swan. Try to right knee straight. Drop your both palm down. Head down. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chen Phi Rasa. Right leg back. To plank pose. Body should be straight. One line. Yes. Hold the breath. Chaturanga. Inhale. Cobra. Bhujangasana. Upward dog. Exhale. Downward facing dog. Or come to mountain pose. Again, one by one, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hit. Doi chân. Chân trái. Tha, chân trái lên, chuk left leg front in between your palm, sim, goi sung. Again, high thigh, side of the body, both hands side of the body, drop your palm down. Relax your back, try to focus on your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chân trái thẳng, hai tay xuống, đầu xuống. Again, chân trái ra sau, left leg back to plank pose. Body should be straight, one line. Sung chaturanga. Inhale, cobra, look up, chin up. Exhale, downward dog. Thang tai, thang chân. Hit chân phải lên, right leg up. Tha, right leg front in between your palm. Goi lên, hai tay lên. Try to warrior number 1. Great warrior posture. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hai tay, side of the body. So, yeah, thang tai. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chân phải thẳng, tay phải xuống, tay trái lên. Right knee straight, left hand straight up, tay trái back side, gap thigh. Tay trái back side, gap thigh. Left hand back side, grab your thighs. Try to right knee straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sim, đổi tay. Change your hand. Tay trái xuống, tay phải lên, tay phải back side, gap thigh. Left hand down, right hand up, right hand back side, grab your thigh. Yeah, look up, chin up, try to right knee straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can I high thigh swung? High thigh back side. Can I dog chan chai gap chan len or come dog high thigh swung? Drop your both palm back side down. If possible, then fold your left leg. If you cannot, just try to stay. Chan chai gap chan chai. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. High thigh swung. Chan rasa, right leg back. To plank pose. Body should be straight. Again, one line. Turn your body right side. Bend thigh, thigh file in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chai. Left side. Thigh chai. Left hand all the way up. Look up, chin up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, come center. Go sung. Come sung. Come to Ashtanga. Inhale. Cobra. Look up, chin up. Exhale, downward dog, sim, one by one again. Come on, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hit chan chai, left leg. Exhale, chan chai, len chuk, left leg front. Again, high thigh. Raise your hands up. Come to warrior number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands side of the body and slowly exhale. Come down, everybody. Beautiful, nice. Just try to maintain the posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same. Tai chai swung. Tai phai len, tai phai gap tai. Left hand down, right hand up, and right hand back side. Grab your thigh. Tai phai gap tai. Try to left knee straight. Chan chai thang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, twist your spine. Doi tai. Change your side, please. Right hand down and left hand. Inhale. Left hand up. Left hand back side. Grab your thigh. Yeah, look up, chin up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chân chai thẳng, hai tay xoang, hai tay back side. Chân phải gập chân lên. If possible, both hands down. Drop your both palm down, and if possible, then right leg up. Fold your knees. Yes. Just try to maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. High thigh swung, chin chai rasa, left leg back to plank pose. Again, body should be straight, one line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sung, boy sung, kam sung, chaturanga. Inhale, cobra, look up, chin up. Exhale, downward dog. Again, sim. 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more time, hit chin phi lane, right leg up. Chin phi, lane chuk, right leg front. Hand side of the body, side warrior posture. Yeah, I do right. Yes. Side warrior posture, warrior number 2. Up chin phi up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thigh chest swung, thigh phi lane. Left hand down, right hand over your head. Slowly bend your body back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can I thigh phi? Gap thigh over your thigh challenge. Yeah. Right elbow over your right thighs and left hand over your head. Move. 2, 3, 4, 5. Right hand under the thigh, left hand back side. Interlock your finger. Khai thigh, chin phi thang. Try to right knee straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chin chai siklen. Left leg front. Come to paradise pose. Part of paradise pose. Hit bow, chin phi lane. Right leg up. Straight up. Come on, everybody. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Tutu sung. Yeah. Slowly come down, please, everybody. Yes. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Chan chai rasao. Left leg back. Jap thai. Namaste. And twist your spine. Namaste and twist your spine. Can I do tai chai gap tai tai five backside high thigh interlock your finger, or if you cannot, just namaste jap tai. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Chen chai gap chen len. Can I do chen phi len? Yes. 1. Come on. Try. 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Very good. High thigh swung. Chen chai rasao. Chen phi rasao. Plank pose. Body should be straight. One line. Again. One more time. Come on, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So chaturanga. If you cannot, come to ashtanga. Inhale, cobra. Look up, chin up. Exhale, downward dog. The same way, left leg. Inhale, chin in. Exhale, left leg front, chin in. Chup. Come to side warrior posture. Warrior number 2. Very good, excellent. Just try to maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thigh phi swung, thigh challenge. Right hand slowly slid down, left hand over your head. Slowly bend back. Inhale, thigh chai gap thigh. Left elbow over your left thigh, right hand over your head. Slowly make sure body should be straight, one line. Left hand under the thigh, right hand back side, high thigh, interlock your finger. Yes, both palm together, finger to finger. chân trái thẳng, hít vào chân phải xích lên, right leg front, chân trái lên, bird of paradise pose, left leg up, slowly, slowly. Yes, keep balance, everybody. Try. One, good job. Try. Two, three. Now slowly sit down. So, two. Don't worry. One, two, three, four, five. Relax. Very good. Chin Rasa, right leg back. Jab thigh, namaste, and twist your spine. Yes. Namaste and twist your spine. Can I do thigh phi, gap thigh, thigh chai back side, high thigh, interlock your finger. If you cannot, just namaste. One, two, three, four. Chin phi, gap chin, right leg fold and little bit up. If possible, then left leg up. Yes. Reverse. Very good job. One, nice. Come on, try. Two, three, four, five. Relax. High thigh swung. Chan chai rasao. Chan phi rasao. Okay, cross leg. Come on, D. One by one, mountain climber. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chan phi. Right leg outside. Come dog tai chai len. Dog high thigh gap thigh dal sung high chen len. Come to flying man pose. Yes. High thigh gap thigh. Try it. Yes. Very good job. Dowland mark lane. One, two, three, four, five. Nice. Okay, one more time, please. Last one. Come on, D. Everybody. One by one. Come on, come on, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chân chai outside. Same. Can I down, high chân thang, tai phai gap tai, flyman pose. 1, yeah. Thumb okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Ember, child pose, please, everybody.